Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continue today, we are going to discuss about 11 proven ways to make money online without investment. Today every person want to earn money online by sitting at home. Moreover, teenagers are also eager to make online money. Sometimes people get trapped by fake agencies working online. Still, there are proven methods to make money online without any investment. Number one, start a blog to make money online. Well, it's a long process of making money online. What you need to start a blog is purchase, hosting, themes, and domain. But now you can start your blog even without spending a single penny. First of all, start writing on Medium on monetize on Medium Partner Program. You can create a blog free of cost on Blogger or WordPress. Don't forget that money is equal to traffic in blogging. Furthermore, you can monetize the content if your blog by selling products, marketing. Although it's a long-term process, one of the best way to making money online. The second method is through content writing. If you are a good writer and good in English grammar, then you can write content to make money online. You have to write sample articles and begin working by sending them to your prospects. Moreover, you can also work for a website which gives you money for writing. You have to sign in and begin writing and earn money online. The third method is earn money by becoming a freelancer. If this question arises in your mind that you can make money online by becoming a freelancer, if you know programming, marketing, and designing, you need to have the patience for doing this work. First is a core skill that you have, and the other is marketing skill. You can also take the help of an expert marketer if you are not good at marketing. The fourth one is become a consultant to make money online. You can also earn money online by selling your knowledge to people as a consultant. You can become a consultant for content writing. A person having core competitive skills could work as a consultant and search for a client online. The fifth method is earn money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is same as running a retail shop. You need to sign up with retailers such as Flipkart, Amazon to promote those products that you like the most via websites and social media apps to make the right amount of money. For instance, you can create a list of your favorite books and link to it to Flipkart so that people can purchase book of their interest. You will earn an affiliate commission. Also, you can begin with promoting affiliate links to Facebook groups and online forums. The sixth one is make money by writing an ebook. You can also earn money online by writing an ebook. If you have any topic of your interest or your hobby you want to write about, could be easy. Moreover, if you will fund a site that will buy your book and pay for you will be beneficial. Then they will charge a commission on every sale you can sell many copies there. The seventh method is start a product startup. It is a more profitable method of running a business online. You will never know how to start up will help in your growth. The complete process of starting a business is quite exciting. Moreover, you can facilitate people with loans or provide a credit limit. Make money from Facebook and Instagram. As you can earn money through Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Moreover, you can earn about 10,000 to 20,000 rupees for one tweet or a post on Facebook. Hence, people related to this domain can monetize their page on social media application. The ninth method is make money online from YouTube. While people are earning millions from YouTube, it is not an easy task. But for those who can record and upload video, generally two types of people can create YouTube channels successfully. First, those who can make funny videos, and other are those who can create helpful video for students. You need to know about tools required for creating videos. The 10th method is subscribe a food delivery service. By using this service, you can not earn money but can save your money. These services deliver a food box every week with unique vegetables. It will be lucrative for you when you do not have enough time for shopping and want a good meal. The 11th method is learn stock market trading. You can also make money online by stock investing and trading if you are aware of picking the right stock. Hence, the above given tips explain about how to make money as an entrepreneur. Finally, and lastly, it could be the best decision for starting an online money making business by setting out your place. From the above given proven ideas or method, you can pick anyone to begin with it. Moreover, you can do it as a part time business to earn more money. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.